Physical activity, what you need to know, from the Hospital for Sick Children. This video explains the importance of physical activity. What can physical activity do for you? Our bodies are meant to move. Physical activity is a regular part of a healthy lifestyle, but why? Physical activity can improve your health and prevent disease, help maintain a healthy body weight, improve self-confidence and self-image, improve attention and memory, improve your mood, improve your energy, fitness, and strength, help you sleep better, help you manage stress better, help to build strong bones, and help improve blood pressure. Insulin resistance. Physical activity helps the insulin in your body to work better. Insulin is required to maintain healthy blood sugars. Some people may develop insulin resistance, where their body isn't using insulin correctly. Physical activity, a healthy weight and diet can help with insulin resistance. What is insulin resistance? It is when your body is not able to process or respond to insulin well. Insulin works to open the door into the body's cell to allow the sugar to enter and be used as fuel, but when insulin resistance is present, the door is locked. There are medicines that you can take to unlock the door, but physical activity will help create more of these doors. What type of activity should you do? Well, what type of physical activity do you enjoy? Whatever you enjoy, you will want to keep doing. Do you enjoy activities that are indoors or outdoors? Are team-based or by yourself? Use equipment or do not use equipment? Move fast or slow? Or are competitive or non-competitive? The FITT principle. The FITT principle is a general guideline of ways to improve your physical fitness. The letters stand for frequency, intensity, time, type. Frequency suggests being physically active 5 to 7 times per week. Try not to go 2 days without activity. Intensity suggests doing moderate to vigorous physical activity. But what is moderate to vigorous physical activity, and how do you know if you are doing it? Moderate physical activity means that while you are being active, you can still talk easily, but not sing a song. You feel warmer than when you started, and you have a noticeable increase in your heart rate. Examples include walking, bike riding, dancing, stretching. Vigorous physical activity means that while you are being active, you have difficulty speaking with slight shortness of breath. You feel very warm, often with sweating, and you have a significant increase in your heart rate. Examples of vigorous physical activity include jogging, aerobics, and team sports. Over time, try to challenge yourself by slowly increasing the frequency, length, and intensity level of your activities. Listen to your body and do what works for you. Another FITT principle is time. Spend 60 minutes a day being physically active. This can be split into 10 to 15-minute physical activities over the course of the day. Different types of physical activities can be included. The last FITT principle is type of activity, and there are 3 of them. Cardiovascular, which gets your heart pumping. It includes activities like running, cycling, and swimming. Resistance, which are activities that strengthen your muscles and bones, such as lifting weights, weight-bearing activities, and jumping. And flexibility, such as stretching and yoga. Some activities should include a mix of all 3 types. Select the appropriate type of activity based on your outcome goals. You might want to keep an activity log to see how well you are following the FITT principles over time. 24-hour movement guidelines. All of these principles fit into the Canadian 24-hour movement guidelines. The guidelines include sweat, step, sleep, and sit. Click on the link below to learn more about the guidelines. Physical activity ideas. We often spend too much time in front of a screen or just sitting for long periods of time. Guidelines for screen time help us to stay healthy. Here are some ideas of things to do instead of sitting in front of a screen. You can team up with a friend or family and go for regular walks, ride a bike, play outside, try fun online videos or yoga together, sign up for a class or sport, or visit a local community center for free drop-in programs. Think ahead about all the ways you will add physical activity to your day. Get everything you need ready ahead of time to make it easier to start. Once you start, it'll be easier to continue. If you feel you have no time, try doing 5 to 10 minutes in between other activities. In addition to your daily physical activity, keep moving throughout the day with activities of daily living. Daily activities. You can do chores, such as carrying grocery bags or cleaning the house, help with gardening, raking leaves, or snow shoveling, help clean up or volunteer in your community, walk instead of taking the bus or driving, work at a standing desk instead of sitting, or get up and move every hour, climb stairs instead of taking an elevator or escalator, move your body during video or TV commercials, or swap video games for more active options like interactive dance or simulated sports video games. Every little bit adds to your total physical activity minutes. Any physical activity is better than none, and any time is a good time to be physically active. So add movement into your daily schedule, plan ahead, and do something you enjoy every day. We are here to help. If you have questions or need further tips, please contact your healthcare provider.